Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to meet you online. I'm William Dong, Director of Huawei Cloud Computing Marketing. First of all, I would like to thank our carrier customers. Thank you for your support of Huawei Cloud. Looking around us, more and more industries are embracing the digitalization. What does that mean for us in ICT? Today, I would like to talk about these new opportunities that all of us can benefit from by diving into digital and driving new growth with everything as a service. The telecom industry has been pioneers in digitalization. This heat map from McKinsey shows us how ICT industry look like. You can see this kind of digitalization is diverse in different verticals. It's our operators which have 5G, cloud, and intelligence. You can have the most possibility to help these verticals to do the digitalizations. It also makes you the most suitable enablers to help traditional industries to go digital. By doing so, carriers not only unlock a great market space, but also deliver leapfrog development. In fact, the world's leading carriers are already digitalization role models. First, let's look at Vodafone. Their digital-first strategy actively adopts digital tech in customer management, technology evolution, and operations, aim to reduce the company's operating expenditure by 50%. The second case to mention is Orange. Orange adopts a data and intelligence-centric approach and use cloud computing to support steady, sustainable business growth. Its annual revenue is expected to reach $400 million in 2023. These have an ambitious purpose. And you also can see the pioneer in China with China Mobile. They help heavy industry manufacturers by combining 5G cloud and intelligent technology with manufacturing process. In the case of Violin Iron and Steel Group, it increased violins per capita annual output by over 30% with 10% less production cost. These results are win-win. By helping their customers succeed, China Mobile also increased revenue and taps into the new market. Here, let's watch a video. It shows more details about the project. How to help telcos to leading players like these pioneers. Our answers are diving into digital and provide everything as a service. To do that, three important things. First, infrastructure as a service. We build global data centers and networks for a seamless experience for customers around the world. Second, technology as a service. In last years, Huawei invested over 130 billion Chinese yuan in R&D. But how does this transfer into accessible results to our customers, to carriers, to enterprise? We believe that the best way is to transform our technologies into service on Huawei Cloud. So we can package cutting-edge technologies into API service. This tech can include cloud-native technology, about intelligent computing, blockchain, 5G network planning, and some autonomous driving. The third pillar is expertise as a service. We work with our partners to distill our best practice in digital transformation into digital assets. On Huawei Cloud, we can build applications, platforms, and process platforms with these digital assets to help the customer easy to embrace digital transformation and grow faster. For global carriers, Huawei Cloud provides development modes built on cloud-native distributed architecture. Using the public cloud, hybrid cloud, and edge clouds, we extend cloud service to where they are needed. Technology innovations takes a long time and a lot of investment. Just take 5G as an example. Huawei started research as far back as 2009, a time even when the 4G was not even licensed in China. In 2019, we provisioned the world's first 5G commercial network. From early research to commercial use, we have invested billions of dollars. Our own experience with innovation is the answer to the question of many enterprises. Wouldn't it be wonderful if they can use the world's most advanced digital tech in the form of cloud service, accessing their resource, just like the water and electricity? With this quest in mind, we will continue to open the achievement of our 100,000 R&D engineers and billions of investment dollars. Our foundation technology, such as operating systems, database, intelligence, and algorithms, serve you, our carriers and enterprise customers. We provide both cloud service and a pipeline to facilitate development in every aspect, so you can rapidly innovate without reinventing the wheel. Now I would like to introduce our TPaaS as it's used in the real world. This is our cloud-native infrastructure, and this helps improve the user's experience, enable you to build more agile and secure applications. Thanks to the full-stack cloud-native capabilities. For example, on December last year, the Sky Computing program launched a test satellite that distributes cloud technology and give the satellite access to unified compute resource, application management, distributed applications, collaboration, and in-orbit intelligence inference. This improved data computing precision by more than 50% and reduced the amount of satellite data sent back to ground by 90%. Such a satellite better serves emergency communications, ecological monitoring, disaster prevention, and etc. How would that work? In the past, we respond to the flooding events like this. Ground control requests satellite to take the images to the flooded areas. These satellites then send the images back to identify where and how bad the flood is. Now, thanks to the cloud-native edge computing, satellites can discard low-quality images. What are low-quality images? We filtered the ones where more than half the objects are shaded by cloud or snow or something else, and then to reduce the transmission pressure and send the rest back. The system then ran these valid images through Huawei Cloud high precision intelligence mode. All this is done on central nodes with rich compute resource to pre-process images, extract water bodies, and generate monitoring reports. This may sound like a lot of work, but response time is now down from 1 day to just 1 hour. These type of jobs that use satellite edge computing are also dynamic. Simply update them as required. We focus on innovating core technology and high-value intelligent scenarios. And last year, we released the Pangu mode and the Optiverse intelligent server. We have given them the strongest computing capabilities in the world and launched knowledge computing. How do our innovations benefit carriers? As they move to the cloud, these innovations make their service smarter, no matter whenever they are in marketing operations or customer service, and the carriers can pass them on to their own industry customers to develop more intelligent service, such as smarter detectors, city management, and smart electricity. I would like to share some toolkits. Tianjin Port is one of the world's top 10 ports in China, with an annual throughput of 450 million tons and used to spend 4 to 10 hour planning storage. Now, they can do the same things in just 10 minutes by use our Optiverse intelligence server. This server analyzes tens of millions variables and factors to best streamline scheduling. And another case is indirect R&D. Our Pangu mode has learned the chemical structure of 1.7 billion small molecules. Through the deep learning, machine learning, we have found 100 million new small molecules, then to 80 alternative lead compounds, and then through the scientists' research and the Pangu mode, finally they found the target. You can see this kind of lead compounds from 1.7 billion to 100 million to 80, then to 1. This kind of process normally will take years, but now is powered by intelligence to develop this kind of lead compounds to just 1 month. And this one is one of COVID-19 virus protein mode, which is 40 million times bigger than the real one. And these small things is the lead compound, what we found with the scientists and the Pangu AI model. MetaStudio is our digital content pipeline. We have automated film and television production, from editing to 3D modeling and rendering. Now film and TV producers around the world can collaborate seamless and efficient. How? We use cutting-edge tech such as virtual human, 3D space, and cloud AR. In the metaverse future, MetaStudio will reshape the media industry. For example, we work with a TV station to create a Xiaoyang. What's that? Xiaoyang is a cloud virtual host, and here is how she was born. We powered MetaStudio with intelligence for voice engines and rendering accelerations. That's how we streamline the creation of hyper-realistic virtual humans. Another way, MetaStudio work with in the cloud production. Check out the video. Was it shot in real world? No. We made it in a studio with MetaStudio and help you cut costs with boosting content. Over 70% of network traffic come from video. And we want to give the users the premium experience. This network comes with high reliability and less than 200 milliseconds of latency. But what it means, less than 200 milliseconds of latency? It takes the average person 280 milliseconds to process the new information, which means the experience is faster than the human perception. If you hold a concert on the cloud with musicians around the world, you can play together in the real time. We make that possible. Huawei Cloud, Markverse, APaaS, and this is what we say, expertise as a service. We provide both fundamentally and specific to your industry. We innovate a broad array of scenarios, including carriers, coal mining, government organizations, education, manufacturing, and internet. Our aim is better cloud service across industry and smooth this cloud journey for our customers. Huawei Cloud is dedicated to build an ecosystems. In these ecosystems, we share innovations, capabilities, and success. We now have more than 2.5 million developers, 28,000 consulting partners, and 9,000 technical partners. We provide end-to-end resource and support from training and enablement, technical certification, solution release, and shared business opportunity. We hope this ecosystem also can help our customers, our telcos, can have some new value to do the industry digitalization. In addition, we have provided multiple sales modes for our carriers. It's your choice. You can buy our cloud resource for your own use, or you can resell Huawei Cloud resource, or partner with us to build cloud service of your own brand to better serve your enterprise customers. That's all for my presentation today. I hope we can meet on the Huawei booth. Let's make 2022 a year of success. Together, let's embrace digital and cloud for great value. Thank you.